under the eliminating the arbitrary function. Z is equal to y square plus 2 into f of 1 divided by x plus log y. 1 divided by x plus log y. So as I told, once again we have to write the given question as let z is equal to y square plus 2f of 1 by x plus log y. Consider this one as a equation 1. Now differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x. Differentiating 1 partially with respect to x. So differentiating partially z with respect to x is dou z by dou x is equal to, first term is y square, as we are doing differentiating with respect to x, so it will become 0, plus 2 into differentiation of f is f dash of, write the terms as it is, 1 by x plus log y into differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So according to the notation, dou z by dou x is p is equal to minus 2 by x square into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Next, here only I will write differentiating 1 partially with respect to y. Differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y. So here dou z by dou y is equal to differentiation of y square is 2y plus 2 into differentiation of f is f dash of 1 by x plus log y into, what is the differentiation of log y? Differentiation of log y. Yes. What is the differentiation? What is the
1 by
differentiation
1.
of? Yes, very good. The differentiation of log y is 1 by y. Again, here q is equal to 2y plus 2 by y into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Now, we can rewrite this term as p into x square is equal to minus 2 of f dash of 1 by x plus log y. So this 2 into f dash of 1 by x into log y we can substitute in this equation. So I write q as it is equal to 2y. Here minus is there. So put minus, instead of 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y, we can write, or else you can write minus px square is equal to 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. So in the place of 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y, we can write minus px square divided by y. Cross multiply, take the LCM, so it becomes qy is equal to 2y square minus px square. Therefore, px square plus qy is equal to 2y square. This is the required partial differential equation. E power y into f of x plus y. Here also write the solution. Let z is equal to e power y into f of x plus y. Call this one as a equation 1. Next, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. With respect to x. So here dou z by dou x is equal to e power y. I will write as it is because here it is in the form of multiplication here. So we considered e power y as a constant term. Differentiation of f of x plus y is f dash of x plus y into differentiation of x is 1. Call this one as a equation 2. Or else in the next line p is equal to e power y into f dash of x plus y. Call this one as a equation 2. Next, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. With respect to y. So again dou z by dou y is equal to, here we can see e power y contains y and also the function of x plus y also contains y. So we have to use product rule. First I will take e power y as a constant term. Differentiation of f of x plus y is f dash of x plus y into differentiation of y is 1. Plus I write f of x plus y as it is as a constant term. Differentiation of the e power y is e power y. Now q is equal to, what we have to do, we can write e power y f dash of x plus y. What it is, according to the equation 2 we can write it as a p plus f of x plus y into e power y. According to the equation 1 we can write it as a z. So q is equal to p plus z is the required partial differential equation. Is the required partial differential equation. This is the answer. Fourth one, z is equal to e power ax plus by into f of ax minus by. Ax minus by. So here I write the solution. Let z is equal to e power ax plus by into f of ax minus by. Call this one as the equation 1. Differentiate 1 partially with respect to x. Differentiate 1 partially with respect to x. So dou z by dou x, that is equal to, according to the notation we can write it as a p. Here we have to apply the product rule. So I write e power ax plus by as it is. Differentiation of f of ax minus by is f dash of ax minus by into differentiation of ax is a. Call this one as a equation 2. Next, yes, one more thing we have to do, apply the product rule. So plus write f of ax minus by as it is. Differentiation of e power ax plus by is e power ax plus by into differentiation of ax is a. Call this one as a equation 2. Next, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y, with respect to y. So dou z by dou y, we can call this one as a q. Again, I take e power ax plus by as a constant. F of ax minus by differentiation is f dash of ax minus by into differentiation of minus by is minus b, plus I write f of ax minus by as a constant term. Differentiation of e power ax plus by is e power ax plus by into differentiation of by is b. Call this one as a equation 3. Now multiply, I will write here continuation of the fourth problem. Multiply equation 2 by b and equation 3 by a. Multiply equation 2 by b and equation a by equation 3 by a. What we get here? P into b, equation 2, that is equal to a square, a into b, e power ax plus by into f dash of ax minus by plus ab into e power ax plus by into f of ax plus by. We can write this one as a z. For this two term, we can write it as a z. Next, multiply equation 3 by a. So qa is equal to minus a into b e power ax plus by into f dash of ax minus by, again plus ab f of ax plus by e power ax plus by. We can write it as a z. We can write this one as a z. Adding, I call this one as a equation 4 and this one as a equation 5. Adding equation 4 and equation 5. So LHS side we have PB plus QA. RHS side AB e power AX plus BY into F dash of AX minus BY minus AB e power AX plus BY into F dash of AX minus BY. This both will get cancelled. Remaining ABZ plus ABZ. So we get 2 times of ABZ. So finally we can write B into P value is dou Z by dou X plus A into Q value is dou Z by dou Y is equal to 2ABZ. This is the required partial differential equation. Required partial differential equation. First, we have to do partial differential equation with respect to y and with respect to x. Then for the equation 2, we have a as a common term from both the sides. So we can multiply with b. In the third one, we have here b, so we have to multiply with a. After doing the multiplication, we have to add equation 4 and 5. In that, AB e power ax plus by into f of ax minus by, it will get cancelled. Remaining will be PB plus QA is equal to 2 times of ABZ is equal to 2 times of ABZ. Write the year of the question. December 2016. December 2016. L into X, L into X, M into Y plus N into Z is equal to phi of X square plus Y square plus Z square. So write in the solution in the next line, let Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to phi of X square plus Y square plus Z square. Differentiate, procedure is same. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. So L into x partially means L plus wherever z is there we have to write n into dou z by dou x because we are doing z with respect to x partially. Phi dash of, here phi of x square plus y square plus z square value is phi dash of x square plus y square plus z square into differentiation of x square is 2x plus differentiation of z square is 2 into z. Again differentiation of z is dou z by dou x. Don't get a confusion. See the differentiation properly. So L plus N into P is equal to phi dash of x square plus y square plus z square into 2x plus 2z into P. Call this one as a equation 1. Next, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. So y means m into y, m plus n into z with respect to y partially, dou z by dou y is equal to phi dash of x square plus y square plus z square. Differentiation of y square is 2y. Differentiation of z square with respect to y partially means 2z into differentiation of z is dou z by dou y. So m plus n into q is equal to phi dash of x square plus y square plus z square into 2y plus 2z into q. Call this one as the equation 2. In the next line, divide equation 1 by equation 2. Divide equation 1 by equation 2. So what is our equation 1? L plus NP divided by M plus NQ is equal to phi dash of x square plus y square plus z square into, I will take 2 as a common term. So 2 of x plus zp divided by phi dash of x square plus y square plus z square. Here also I will take 2 as a common, y plus zq. 2 will get cancelled, phi dash will get cancelled. So we get L plus NP divided by M plus NQ is equal to x plus ZP divided by y plus ZQ. So to form a partial differential equation, we have to take one more step, cross multiply, that is L plus NP into y plus zq is equal to x plus zp into m plus nq. So here again multiply Ly plus Lzq npy plus npzq, that is equal to xm plus xnq plus zpm plus zpnq. So zpnq will get cancelled. Remaining will be, we have to write in the form. Here what I will take as a common, I shift this npy to the right side. So here what I will write, Ly minus m into x, that is equal to, I shift all the two terms to the right side. In that I take p as a common. So I get m into z minus n into y plus, with these two I will take q as a common. So n into x minus l into z is the required partial differential equation. Next, from here they will give two functions. So till now we are having only one function. From here onwards they will ask two function. So that is phi of x plus y plus z comma x square plus y square minus z square is equal to 0. This is the question. Two terms they have given. So I will write, let phi of u comma v is equal to 0. I call this one as a equation 1, where what is our u? U is equal to x plus y plus z. V is equal to x square plus y square minus z square. Now, differentiating partially with respect to x means dou u by dou x is equal to 1, differentiation of x, plus y is 0 plus dou z by dou x. So dou u by dou x is equal to 1 plus p. Now dou v by dou x, that is equal to 2x minus 2z into dou z by dou x. So here we get dou v by dou x is equal to 2x minus 2z into p. Same thing with respect to y, partially differentiating with respect to y. So dou u by dou y is equal to 1 plus dou z by dou y. So dou u by dou y is equal to 1 plus q. Again dou v by dou y is equal to 2y minus 2z into dou z by dou y. So dou v by dou y is equal to 2y minus 2z into q. 2z into q. One more thing what we have to do, differentiating equation 1. Differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x and y, with respect to x and y by applying chain rule. by applying chain rule. What is our chain rule? So here phi of u comma v is there. So first write dou phi diagonally here dou x. So first term with respect to u. So we can write dou u. Both the sides dou u. Same thing for dou v. Next u comma v means next term is v. So here also diagonally dou phi by dou x. Here dou v. Here also dou v. So here it is equal to 0. Dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou x is equal to minus of dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou x. Call this one as a equation 2. Same thing with respect to y. So dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou y plus dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou y is equal to 0. Again dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou y. Call this one as a equation 3. Now dividing equation 2 by equation 3. So here I write dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou x divided by dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou y. These two will get cancelled is equal to minus of dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou x minus dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou y. These two also will get cancelled. I write here. I write remaining term dou u by dou x. What is our dou u by dou x? 1 plus p divided by dou u by dou y, that is 1 plus q. Dou v by dou x. Here I take 2 as a common. So x minus zp divided by dou v by dou y. 2 into y minus zq. 2 will get cancelled. Again cross multiply. So here 1 plus p into y minus zq is equal to 1 plus q into x minus z into p. So further again we have to do the multiplication. Further we have to do the multiplication, that I will write this side. Yes, after writing here I just continue this side. So y minus zq plus py minus pqz, that is equal to x minus zp plus qx minus pqz. Minus pqz will get cancelled. Remaining will be, I shift this y to the right side. So first what I will do, zp minus qx minus zq plus py is equal to x minus y. From this two I will take p as a common, so I will write y plus z. From these two I will take minus q as a common, so I write x plus z, that is equal to x minus y is the required partial differential equation.